Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the audio so you can hear how it fits. Open Capcut and load your project, then tap Media, choose Audio, and import the track. Place the song under your video clip at the approximate start point to preview timing. Once done, lower the audio volume so it won't overpower dialogue. This gives you a reference mix. Make sure to use 16:9 timeline view to align cuts precisely and avoid guessing where beats fall. Now you fine-tune how music interacts with visuals. Use split to cut out unwanted parts and apply fade and slash out for natural entries. These control abrupt changes. If pace feels off, adjust speed or apply slight pitch changes to maintain vocal clarity. For dialogue-heavy sections, add volume keyframes so music ducks under speech. Once adjusted, scrub the timeline and listen at normal and lowered volumes to confirm beats land with cuts and emotional moments line up. Finish by rendering a short export and listening on phone or headphones to catch balance issues. Export settings like MP3 or AAC preserve quality and compatibility, so choose them when prompted. If you notice sync drift, nudge the audio clip by a quarter or half beat. Small shifts often fix alignment without re-editing. One key troubleshooting tip: clear Capcut cache and re-import the audio if playback stutters. This resolves many performance-related sync problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.